Welcome to Virtual STEM Club Pumpkin Slime. I'm Sandy, and today we're going to take some fun ingredients and make pumpkin slime. You should have picked up your take and make bag with all of the items that you need to make this project, and let's get started. All right, in your bag you will find a spoon, a clear container with a lid, and this starch is going to be inside your container and you'll need to take that out to get started. You'll find some glitter, a baggie of pumpkin seeds, and 2 bottles of glue. To get started, we are going to take the starch out of the container, and then we'll take 1 bottle of glue. Just take the lid off, set it aside, and pour all the contents in your big clear container like this. And it may take a minute for it all to drain out, but just let it all come into your clear container. Just keep going until it's all out. See that? Now you're not supposed to drop it in there, but if that happens, that's okay. Just let it all drain out. Then, once that's done draining, I'm not going to put any from my second bottle in my bowl just yet because I want to make sure that I have extra in case the consistency of my slime is not how I want it to be. And I will show you the reason why. So once you've got the first bottle of glue dumped in, you'll take this container of starch, and the lid is taped down, so you'll want to take the tape off, and just be careful because it's a real thin liquid, so just be careful. Take your lid off, set it aside, and then take this and pour about half of it into the glue. So there, that's about half. I don't know if you can see that it's down about halfway. And then just start stirring. And you'll see the glue kind of start to clump up and get kind of stretchy almost, and just keep mixing until you get it all really well incorporated and mixed together. And it may take a few minutes to just get it all mixed up good together. And if you're feeling really adventurous, you can stick your fingers in there and mix it together. But I would wait till you get it more mixed up like this. And this is where, if it's too runny, you want to add more starch. This is what's going to make it clump. So, and if it's too solid, add more glue. And I know that seems backwards, but the starch is what makes it stretchy and gooey. And so once you get it mixed up pretty good, stick your fingers in and see how it feels. After all, this is a STEM project, an experiment, and just if you think you can play with it at this consistency, just go ahead and leave it. If not, add some more of the other ingredients, either the starch or the glue. But mine's looking pretty stretchy, so I'm just gonna keep working it for a couple minutes just to make sure it's all mixed up together. And then once it is, and you can dig down in your cup and make sure that you're getting it, all the liquid that's in your cup all mixed in there too. Just look how fun it is, but we're not done yet. We'll get this all mixed up. And then comes the really fun part, is you can take your glitter, and your glitter is going to have plastic to seal it so that it doesn't spill all over, so you'll have to peel that off. I've already done that when I made my first example of slime. But then just take your glitter, pour it in as much as you want, use half the tube, mix it in, make adjustments from there if you need to. But just start playing with it and mix that glitter in. Or if you don't want the glitter, just mix the pumpkin seeds in. It's up to you. But just start playing and mixing it in. And, whoops, I'm gonna add some more glitter. I want mine really sparkly. All right. All that glitter. And you might want to just remember to pour the glitter over the bowl and try to keep it off your table or countertop, whatever you're mixing on. But there we go. We've got stretchy, ooey, gooey slime. And now, for some more added fun, let's take our pumpkin seeds and add as many or as few pumpkin seeds as you want to make slime that resembles pumpkin guts. So there we go, we just got that mixed in. And just keep playing and mixing. And look how gooey and stretchy and fun. And there you have it. You have pumpkin slime. And enjoy. Thanks for joining us for Virtual STEM Club Pumpkin Slime. I hope you had fun with your project today. We'd love to see any video or pictures that you have of you doing the project, and you can share them with us at the email address on the screen. Hope to see you next time. Bye.